Hello children. So today we will practice the exercise questions of the poem Teamwork. It's from NCERT textbook for class 5 English. So let's begin. First question is complete the following sentences. If nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't. Correct answer is shoot. If nobody passes the ball, then nobody will be able to shoot. In a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then relay race cannot go on. Then relay race will not be continued. Next, name the team members needed for the following. First is cricket. Just think of all the team members, all the different type of people which are needed for a cricket match. So you can get idea from these pictures. As you can see, some of the people who are needed to play cricket match. These are the people who are needed to play cricket. Let's name them one by one. Answer will be, to play cricket we need batsmen, bowlers, fielders, coaches, umpire, etc. Next, to make a film we need. So in order to make a film, which team members will you need? Let's get hints. Look at these pictures and you can get some idea. So let's write the answer. To make a film we need director, producer, actors, musicians, cameramen, etc. To run a good school we need. So just think of your school and try to remember which all people are needed to make a school, to make a good school or to run a good school. Look at these pictures, you will get the hint. These are some of the people who are needed to run a good school. Let's write the answer. Principal, teachers, students, peon, gardener, sweepers, etc. These are the people who are needed to run a good school. Next, to run a restaurant we need. Let's look at these images. Identify the people who are needed to run a restaurant. So now let's write the answer. Manager, cooks, customers, sweepers, etc. These are the people who are needed to run a restaurant. Now next exercise question. Complete the set of rhyming words. Words from the poem, your own words. So here we have some words from the poem and you will write your own words which will rhyme with these words. First word is team. Rhyming word for team can be cream or you can say beam. So you will write your own answers, your own words here. Plus, bus, done, one, hoop, loop, shoot, boot, goal, fall, joy, toy. So you can write your own words which rhyme with these words from the poem. Next is picture composition. Look at this picture carefully and then you'll have to answer a few questions based on this picture. Observe different people working in this picture and observe what kind of work they are doing. So, in the box, some words are given. Let's read them one by one. Plumber, painter, mason, electrician, laborer, carpenter, gardener. Now, who is laying the bricks? Out of these people, these names which we have just read, name the person who is laying the bricks. Look at this picture. What do you call this person who is laying the bricks? We call him mason. Who is holding the ladder? Look at the picture. Look at this picture carefully. Try to identify the people in this picture. One person is on the ladder. He is fixing a bulb. Then he must be electrician. And one person is holding the ladder. Who is this person? The person who is holding the ladder is laborer. Next question. Who is the man on the ladder? Just remember, the man on the ladder is fixing a bulb. He is an electrician. Now next, who is making the door? Identify this person. This person is doing work with wood. What do you call that person? We call him carpenter. Next, who is painting the walls? Look at this picture. A person is painting the walls. We call him painter. Now, next exercise, contractions. Sometimes we use short forms for some words. For example, we use I am for I am and I have for I have. These are the short forms of these words and we call them contractions. हम कुछ वर्ड्स को शॉर्ट करके लिखते हैं, कुछ उसमें से अल्फ़ाबेट्स मिसिंग होते हैं जिनकी जगह पर हम ऊपर अपोस्ट्रॉफी लगा देते हैं. तो ये अपोस्ट्रॉफी लगा के जो हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखते हैं किसी वर्ड की, उसको हम कंट्रैक्शन कहते हैं. These short forms are called contractions. Now we will write contractions for these given words. We will. Will. यहाँ पर हमने will में से W और I हटा दिया है और उसकी जगह पर हमने ऊपर अपोस्ट्रॉफी लगा दिया है. V अपोस्ट्रॉफी डबल L. Will. और इसका मतलब होता है we will. Cannot, can't. We have, we have. You have, you have. There is, there's. What have, what if. We are, we are. They are, there. Has not, hasn't. Have not, haven't. Do not, don't. Are not, aren't. So all these are the contractions of these words. The apostrophe is used in place of missing letters in the contracted form. Now practice the exercise questions yourself. Try to answer them yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.